everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. I am very happy to be here with you today and I have a project to share. This is a Christmas junk journal with only one signature and the size is 9 inches by 4.5 inches. I am very late sharing my Christmas projects with you. I was ill for a couple of weeks. I had COVID the second time around and it was really worse than the first one. It was very tough and I was not able to do any crafting at all. But now I am perfectly well. Well, it's just that my taste bud is still messed up a bit, but I don't have any headaches anymore, no sore throat, so I would say I am perfectly well. And I was able to finish this junk journal. I started making this before I got ill, and I know that it is kind of late listing Christmas journals in my shop, but I will still list this, and if it does not find a new home this year, I know there's another Christmas coming, so I will just leave this in my shop. I love this journal. The binding is different in the sense that I didn't do any stitch binding or pamphlet stitching. And I will show you how I did the binding later on. So I hope that you stay till the end of this video. I will try to make this flip through very short. And I will also provide a link of this listing in my description. And I'd like to mention also that everything in my Etsy shop, Nelda's Crafts, is at 25% off, including this journal. Okay, so let us take a look at this journal. It has a very simple closure. This is cotton fabric trim with Christmas design. And I added these beautiful charms. Some of the edges have also charms as embellishments and I think they are very pretty. So different kinds of Christmas charms. There's stocking, ornament, bell, Christmas tree, and I think they are all lovely. So it's very pretty. And the closure is not stitched, so this can be removed easily and can be replaced as well. So here's the front cover. This is a tuck, a vintage postcard, and this is stitched to the front cardstock or front cover. I added this beautiful lace trim. I love the gold color, and this is just a paper pad from my stash, and the 3 flowers here are from the dollar store. So these are the inserts. This is a time card, and this is a lovely vintage Christmas postcard, I think from 1910 or 1920. I love the handwriting here, and I decorated it with seam binding. So this go in here, and the spine is covered with this beautiful Christmas fabric. So the fabric is not glued down to the spine, only to the sides. So this is the back. This design is from my All Is Calm digital kit and very beautifully decorated. It's embellished but plenty of writing space. Let's take a look inside. Here's a pocket, and the pages are from Christmas paper pads from my stash. So here's a tag, blank on the back. This is a vintage book page. This tag is from my digital kit. And this is also blank on the back. It's just a journaling card. It's a tuck here. And I love adding seam bindings in my tags. So here's another tag. December 25, Santa Claus is coming to town. So lots of writing space here. Another vintage book page. Another tuck here, and here comes Santa. And this sentiment is also from my stash. This is a nice charm, very lovely. Next page, we have here another vintage postcard, blank on the back, and this is also a vintage book page. This is an old Christmas card, so lots of writing opportunities here. Added a lace and this washi tape. This is another vintage ephemera and another vintage book page. Next page, this is another vintage postcard. Just added a lace here. Lovely handwriting too. And this is the Holy Family. It says here, rejoice, Jesus is the reason for the season. This ephemera or element is also from my digital kit. There's another tag here, peace on earth. We have here a vintage music sheet. Next page, this is another vintage postcard. Plenty of Santa Claus images here, of course, and this is also from my stash. Another music sheet. These are the Three Kings. Another Christmas tree tag. And this charm is also very pretty. Next page. So, more Santa Claus images. So, really plenty of vintage postcards. Most of them are from the 1930s, 1910, 1920s. Next page. So, this is a tuck inventory tag here. Another time card. This is a pocket here with more tags. This image is from my digital kit. Also, this tag is from my kit. And this is how I did the binding. So that's why there's no stitching. So I glued down this centerpiece here to put the pages together. So fun and super easy to do. So here are some pockets. These are copy elements. And these are more elements. So these are just copies. And this library card is coffee stained. So these elements or ephemera are also from my digital kit. And this centerpiece here is a freebie in my coffee page. Okay, next page we have more vintage postcards. Another Santa Claus image, also vintage. And this postcard, these children are so adorable. I love this postcard. This is also beautiful. Here's another charm. This one is ornament. and next page. So more copies, and these are just leftover papers. So what I'll do is continue with the flip through. I hope that you stay till the end of this video. Just enjoy the music, and I'll be back. am back, everyone. Thank you so much for staying. I hope that you like this Christmas junk journal. Again, this will be listed in my Etsy shop, and the listing will be in my description. This is at 25% off, and everything in my Etsy shop is also at 25% off. So I hope that you check this out. If you're looking for seam bindings, I have new colors available. They are so fun to use in junk journaling, and they make beautiful embellishments as well. I will try my hardest to catch up with all my projects before the end of this year. I have a design team project in the making for Line That Arrow. Very, very late, but I know that I'll be able to finish one project for Natalie. So bye for now, everyone. God bless you. Thanks for watching. We wish you